Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey as a chef. Do you want to know why Bluey wanted to be a chef today? Can you guess? Was it because she smelled something yummy, saw Mom cooking, or dreamed of making her own special dish? What do you think, friends? One bright morning, Bluey tied a little apron around her waist. Today, I'm a chef, she announced proudly. Bingo clapped. What are you going to cook? Children, can you pretend to tie an apron around your waist, just like Bluey? Bluey opened a basket full of fresh veggies. I'll make soup, she declared. She placed carrots, potatoes, and peas on the counter. Bingo giggled. That's a lot of food. Kids, pretend to stir a big pot with a spoon round and round. Mom peeked in with a smile. Need any help, Chef Bluey? Bluey shook her head. I can do it.
Dad walket in, wiering Azili hat.
Every great chef needs a helper, he said, bowing. Children, bow gently like Dad, being playful. Bluey chopped pretend carrots very carefully, and Bingo dropped peas into the pot. Plop, plop, she whispered, laughing. Now stir it again. Bluey twirled the spoon with style. Kids, move your hands in a big circle, like stirring soup. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Soon the smell of warm food filled the kitchen. Bluey closed her eyes. Smells yummy. Bingo leaned closer. When will it be ready? Mum chuckled. Chefs must be patient. Children, tap your fingers on your knees slowly, like waiting. Bluey set the table with bowls and spoons. Everyone sit down, dinner is ready, she called. Dad pretended to play a trumpet, announcing the feast. Bingo danced to her seat, laughing. Friends, march to your spot just like going to the table. Mum tasted the soup first. Delicious, she said softly. Dad nodded. Best soup I've ever had. Bluey's tail wagged with joy. Bingo scooped a spoonful and whispered, Bluey, you're the best chef ever. Kids, pretend to taste soup and smile wide. After the meal, Bluey leaned back in her chair. Cooking makes me happy, she said. Mum hugged her gently. Because you put love in every dish. Bluey beamed, hugging Bingo. Tomorrow, I'll bake cookies. Bingo cheered. Yes, cookies. Children, clap your hands 3 times. Clap, clap, clap. The family sat together, warm and full. Their hearts cozy as the sun dipped low outside the window. Now wave goodbye with Bluey the chef, Bingo the helper, Mom and Dad. All smiling sweetly, ready for the next meal together.